Good evening, everyone. My name is Ankita Nupur. I am the moderator for this event. Welcome you and thank you for tuning in. A lot of us are still in quarantine and stuck at our houses, which has drastically changed the way we live our lives. It has also impacted the way we connect with each other. Keeping that in mind, today on the virtual We Talk, we have with us a remarkable woman, a freelance makeup and hair artist, a woman who has successfully established her own brand in the city of Muradabad, Miss Vandya Arora. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us today.
Thank you so much. I wish all the viewers a very happy Teej, first of all. And thank you for having me here.
It is a pleasure, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Absolutely great. What about you?
I am doing great as well. Thank you for asking, ma'am. Ma'am, at
My
Woman
pleasure.
Awaiter, we always welcome inspiring and empowering stories from different backgrounds, and yours is such a story. So, let me take this opportunity to quickly introduce you to our audience. So, Miss Vandya
Absolutely.
Arora owns a studio by the name Glitter Arty by Vandya Arora in the city of Muradabad. She is a MBA by education but believes in establishing her own brand. She has worked with an international brand called Krylon, and therein she decided to pursue her passion and establish her own studio. So today, ma'am, the topic we have for this particular We Talk is how anyone can create their own brand. So, let's dive into the topic. And my first question to you is, after you completed your MBA, you started your journey as a makeup artist with an international brand.
Yes.
What made you choose
Yes.
this career path?
See, I always wanted to be an artist. And while doing my post graduation, I was very fascinated about an idea of being a makeup artist. And then I started my research, and one thing led to another. And here I am celebrating Glitterati by Vande Arora with you all.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Not a lot of people have that courage to, give up on one career path and just, choose another. That truly says to have courage in your journey.
Yes.
Ma'am, since you've also,
Yes.
worked
Absolutely.
with a lot of international artists and a lot of various brands and you've traveled with them, how did that experience, help you shape the vision you have today?
The two major things that I learned with the international brand and the artists that I worked with, so they are, so what I learned is basically you don't really have to be passionate about your work. You have to be passionate about your work, but with that, you have to be hardworking as well. So with hardworking, you really need to be passionate with what you're doing. And if you don't wake up loving your work, I don't think so. It is really worth it. You're doing something which you didn't, just fed up with your job. It just, you have to do some, like everyday job, and then you're waking up and you're not loving what you do. So that work is not really worth it because you're not giving your 100% to that work. You just have to do it. So I really wanted to do something which makes me really happy. So that's the one thing that I learned from them. And secondly, it was that you really have to create your own identity. You have to create your own work assistance. You have to create your own technique, which you can, share it with the world. And when you have something on your own, then that specializes you. So that gives you, like, you keep it. That makes you aside from the world, and how something special that you have. So we have to create that particular thing. A creativeness is very important.
Absolutely, ma'am. That is rightly said. You need to have your own identity to actually
Yes,
be different from people. That was a very, very good answer,
actually.
ma'am. So, ma'am, also,
Yeah.
like after you worked with the international brand and you were living in Mumbai, you decided to shift to your home city, which is Muradabad. What made you take this
Yes.
decision? And I'm sure there must be a lot of planning that was involved in this. Can you share your experience?
Absolutely. First of all, it was not easy for me to come back from a city like Mumbai, because when we talk about the city Mumbai, we talk about the bigger opportunities. And the place is something that has my heart. And then leaving my heart and coming back to my hometown was a big task for me, but still somehow I managed. And I was having this urge in me to establish my own brand, to get something of my own which I can look after as an individual, especially in Muradabad when hair and makeup is concerned. And also I wanted to create something like the opportunities like a bigger cities that have, and which Muradabad doesn't have. So I wanted to give Muradabad those opportunities, those things that other bigger cities have, and Muradabad, we go to other cities to have that kind of services. So that was back in my mind when I was coming back to Muradabad. We should give, as a youth, we should give something to the city to boom.
Absolutely, ma'am. So this was actually my next question to you, that the idea of setting up your own studio, which is Glitter Arty by Vandya Arora, how did this idea come up? When did this come up? So, like you mentioned, you wanted to give back to the city.
Yes. So initially, when I was in Mumbai, there was no such plan of coming back to Muradabad because I was quite settled up there. My lifestyle was amazing. Everything was perfectly fine. But then one fine Sunday morning, sitting by the seaside, all this thing happened. Just a random thought in my mind to have my own studio. Then I discussed this with my parents, my family members, and first of all, they were very happy to get me back. They were like asking me, come, 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 and I was just avoiding them. But when I shared them this idea, they were like, no, this is completely fine. We're completely with you. My friends supported me. They said, we'll support you with everything what you require. My friends, family, everyone supported me. And eventually the things happened one by one. Even my colleagues back from office, they supported me like anything. So, this gave me courage that I can do something on my own and here. Then everything, this Glitter Arty by Vandya Arora happened.
Absolutely, ma'am. And the studio is wonderful. And you've mentioned it
Thank
very
you.
rightly that it is very important to have that support system, right? That people who believe in you, and so
Actually,
that you can go ahead and do something, right, ma'am?
absolutely.
So, ma'am,
I'm blessed. I'm
my
blessed with
next
that.
question. I am glad, ma'am. That is just amazing. Like, all of us definitely have this support system that we should rely on.
Actually.
So, ma'am, my next question to you is what are the few challenges that you faced while you were trying to establish your own brand in a relatively smaller city?
So basically, when we talk about the challenges, the first important thing is in a smaller cities, your work, your credibility relies upon the word of mouth. And people here just, if a person is getting ready from me, getting dressed up from me, if they like my work, they'll give the reviews to the other people who are connected to them. And that's how the work increase. The credibility is totally important on the word of mouth. So I really wanted to gain trust of the people that they're coming to me and they'll get whatever they want and what looks good in them. And also I wanted to create that fine balance between the client requirements, the client expectation, also what I can provide to them in the different prospects. So I want that balance to create. So it is a big challenge for me to maintain that balance, but I think I'm quite successful in that. Till now, obviously, I'm struggling every day to meet the client's expectations, but still, I think I've started getting to know my clients, what they want, what they require from me, what I can give to them. So that was the basic task, the initial task that I had setting it up.
Okay, ma'am. So, like you said, word of mouth plays a very important role when you're trying to establish
Very
your own
important role, yes.
brand,
Yes.
right, ma'am? Also, can you share some of your key lessons that you learned along the process when you were setting up the studio, and now that while you are managing it, for everybody, for every aspiring person in the audience, who wishes to do the same? What are some of your key lessons that you can share?
So basically, we have to be goal clear what we really wanted. Like as a freelance makeup artist and owning a studio, it is difficult to balance both the things together. Like having a studio, you need to be 100% towards the studio, and even with the freelance, you have to give 100% to the freelance. So really, we have to maintain that particular balance. And also, wherever you're working, that you should be that place. It should be like you have to be comfortable with the place, the interiors, the products that you're using. Everything has to be comfortable while whatever you're using, wherever you're working. You should be like, this is a place where I can give the best I can. Location has to play the important role. I really wanted a location which, is something really near to my house. It has to be a prime location where people are more comfortable to visit. And they should feel very comfortable while coming to my place. Or even if I'm going there, I want to create that aura in me that, people are quite comfortable and compatible with everything that I do with them.
Absolutely, ma'am. Creating that kind of a space for yourself and your client gives
Yes.
you positivity and, absolutely, ma'am. So, also, you also talk a lot about always being creative and innovative while in business. So, why do you
Yes.
think it is always important to, innovate and be creative every day?
So when we talk about, in any industry, not about in makeup, I would say, or the, beauty industry, if we say about the every industry, it's about the survival of the fittest. And when we talk about the creativity and, something which is extravagant, which is something out of the box, that thing actually comes out really good. The uniqueness has to be there. What is the specialty? Even if you're going to some place, we look after something special. What is the specialty of that particular place? We'll go and opt that. So that happens in every business. The ones who is, innovating themselves, creating themselves something great, and working according to the time, but still maintaining that personal individuality is what takes a big call for it. We really want that we should be updated with the time and also create a balance between what our individual self is. So that is the basic task. And if we, achieve that task, I think we can do anything. And in any job, not in just the makeup industry, every field, whatever field it is, we have to be updated and innovative and creative.
Absolutely, ma'am. So you have like mentioned it quite well that you need to be creative, innovative. At the same time, you should love what you do. Like you mentioned, you should love
Yes,
when you get up and you're excited to go to work. So
yes,
absolutely, ma'am, and definitely it is a very difficult. It's not a very easy road when you are quitting
yeah.
your already job, having job and then setting up your brand. So is there a
Yes,
roadmap that you had, or it was just like
I didn't have any sort
I
of
was
a
asking, is
roadmap
that a
in that.
roadmap you had?
No, there was no such plans or something. And initially it was very difficult for me because, when you're working into a job, you're having this fine basic amount that we are transacting into the account, and, everything is perfectly fine. But when we are coming to a self business, everything relies on us. We have to do the rents and the bills and the buyings and everything, whatever is the necessity, we have to do it on our own. Creating a brand something like this is something that a lot many things require, and that's what I think, that's where my mastery came. The MBA that I did, that's what helps me out to create that particular thing. That all the management sessions that I need to create in myself, that happens with a lot of research. Yeah.
That's lovely, ma'am. There is a lot of work involved, definitely. Nothing comes that
Yes.
easy on a platter for us, right? But you rightly mentioned the
Yes.
degree in management helped you take care of the business better.
Yes.
That's great to know, ma'am.
Yeah.
Also, ma'am, since a lot of us now are stuck at home, we are staying home, we are working home, what are the two skincare or makeup tips that you would want to give it to our audience?
So basically, I think I won't generalize into something like a particular thing you should do every day, because our skin is something, not every skin is same. Every person has a different requirement and not everything works on everyone. So I think the basic thing is to invest on our skin. Like a proper skincare routine should be there. Like do whatever it feels good on your skin. Maybe you can buy a great skincare products. You can do all the home remedies, whatever suits the skin best. Just invest on your skin. Have a skincare regime. It is necessary. to have a great skin, because when we start loving our skin, we feel more confident about, going out. And even if we are doing makeup, we feel more confident. Yes, we have a flawless skin, we have a great skin, and whatever we do, whatever outfit we are wearing, wherever we are going, we're gonna look fabulous. So when a skin is perfectly glowing, and you have that confidence in your own self. So just invest on your skin at particular times. You have a great time. We're not going for parties, we're not going for business meetings, we're not going anywhere. We are at home, so we can take good care of our skin right now. I think we should invest this time on our skin. We have a lot of time right now. I think everyone who's here, even if they're working from home, we have time to invest on their skin. We can give a nice face mask or do some massages and then working. We can do that easily. No one is here to judge us.
Absolutely, ma'am. That is, very, very useful advice that you have given. I'm pretty sure I am
Yes.
going to follow it, and a lot of us in the audience would too. So, ma'am,
I'm hoping.
my final question to definitely, ma'am. So, my final question to you is: do you have any advice or any message that you would want to give to the aspiring people in the audience who want to establish their own brand, but they're stopping, because you know that there are a lot of insecurities also when you decide to do something of this sort. And you definitely mentioned earlier that it requires a lot of courage. So, is there any message
Yes.
or any advice that you would want to give to any aspiring person who would want to do the same?
All I want to say is that this global pandemic has taken a toll on us physically, mentally, even financially. All I want for the people, like everyone in the world, I want people should be very resilient, very hopeful, very consistent about the changes that is happening. And when we come out of this, we'll be coming out very strong. And also be kind to everyone around you, even to your own self, especially to your own self. Just love what you have and be satisfied with what you have and what you're going to have, because that's what the thing which makes you happy. Whatever you're having right now, you should be happy with that and keep working hard. Just work yourself hard. Just don't think about what's gonna come next. Just make, keep your focus on and just do work. Don't think how what we are not getting benefits for now, because if we keep on working, someday or the other we'll get the benefits that we're looking for.
Right, ma'am. Absolutely. That was a wonderful, wonderful message. So, I would like to thank you on the behalf of the entire Womanovator team for taking out your time with us today. It was a really insightful session. Thank you for all the messages and the advice that you have given us. I hope you stay well.
Thank you
And
so
like you
much.
said, be kind to ourselves first. It was a
Yes.
pleasure, ma'am.
Same here. Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
having me here. I had a great time. Bye. Take care.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.